The PlayStation VR2 headset has been launched, and now you must be wondering about the accessories that can enhance our gaming experience. There's a plethora of accessories available that promise to take our PSVR2 gaming to the next level, ranging from comfortable head straps to intuitive motion controllers. In this video, we'll go over the best PSVR2 add-ons, so get ready to discover the accessories that will make your PSVR2 experience unforgettable. And the first one on the list is VR Mat Proximat. If you know how essential a clear, safe space move around in metaverse is, that's Proximat Metaverse Access. This 42-inch by 42-inch mat lets you play with both feet on it, reducing the risk of tripping or running into things in the real world. Even the most intense VR gaming events won't damage the Proximat Metaverse Portal's high-quality, durable material. It's easy to clean, so sweat and dirt won't accumulate. Customizability distinguishes the Proximat Metaverse Portal. You can choose from future cityscapes and peaceful forests. This personalizes your VR setup and gives you visual cues to keep centered on the mat. VR headset and gaming system support are other benefits of the Proximat Metaverse Portal. This mat works perfectly with PSVR, Oculus Rift, and other VR platforms. Next comes SteelSeries Arctis 7P Wireless Headset. The Arctis 7P's lengthy battery life is one of its main advantages. The device can be used continuously for up to 24 hours on a single charge, so you can game all day without worrying about running out of power. That's not all though. Additionally, the Arctis 7P has a handy battery-saving function that shuts off the headset after 10 minutes of idleness. This helps to further increase energy life and guarantees that the headset is available whenever you need it. Overall, we consider the SteelSeries Arctis 7P wireless headset's battery life to be both remarkable and useful. And when we compare VR Mat Proximat, SteelSeries Arctis 7P wireless headset, and the original PS Pulse, we have to admit that each of these devices has particular advantages and disadvantages of their own. The VR Mat Proximat is a useful adaptable accessory for gamers who want a clear play area, whereas the PS Pulse is a good value choice for those who don't need many extras. The SteelSeries Arctis 7P is a premium choice that provides both comfort and high-quality audio, but it has a higher price. Therefore, it essentially depends on your personal preferences and financial situation. Moving on to our third product, which is Lens Cleaning Kit for PSVR2, a product that promises to keep your VR headset lenses clean and clear. As you may know, maintaining your headset lenses clear of smudges, fingerprints, and grime is one of the greatest challenges of playing VR games. This may not only interfere with your gaming experience, but also harm your lenses over the long run. The lens cleaning set can help with that. A microfiber cleaning cloth and a lens cleaning solution made especially for VR headset lenses are included in this package. You don't need to be concerned about damaging your lenses or breathing in dangerous substances because the cleaning solution is alcohol-free and non-toxic. The soft and delicate microfiber cleaning towel won't scratch or harm your lenses. You can keep using it because it is also reusable. Then, on number 4, we have the VR Protector cover set for PlayStation VR2. This product guarantees to shield your controllers from deterioration, sweat, and other particles that can gather during prolonged gameplay sessions. You won't have to worry about your controllers moving around while playing because the silicone skin is simply to apply and gives them a secure fit. It won't obstruct your controller's buttons or sensors, and the skin is soft and pleasant to the touch. In conclusion, we believe the silicone skin protector to be a useful and cost-effective accessory for anyone looking to safeguard their PSVR2 devices. And finally, comes the 10 Deluxe 80 feet IR Eliminator and accessory that promises to enhance the low-light performance of your VR headset's cameras. If you've ever used a VR headset in a room with poor lighting, You know how annoying it can be when the cameras can actually track your motions. The Tendelux AI4 fills that role. The Eliminator emits infrared light, which is undetectable to human eye, but visible to the cameras in your headset. This makes it possible for the cameras to see more clearly in dim lighting, allowing you to use your VR headset even in complete darkness. You can play the Tendelux AI4 wherever it is most practical for you because it is simple to set up and has a variety of mounting devices. Additionally, it is lightweight and small, so it won't interfere with your virtual gameplay. And there you have it, the most useful and practical accessories for PSVR2. Which one would you like to buy? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on the world of tech and wizardry. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.